Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install the fonts just by dragging them into a specific folder. Now, if you have multiple fonts, you don't need to completely run an install process. Just simply open your uh, this PC. And once you open it here, you need to go to this C drive, and in the C drive, you need to go to this Windows, and in the Windows you can find the folder of fonts. You can see right there, just simply open the fonts, and here you can see the multiple fonts that are already installed will appear right here. Now simply drag and drop the font you want to install on directly to this folder. For example, if I drag and drop from some other window to this particular folder, the fonts will automatically installed. They don't need to be manually installed on my system. So by this method you can easily install the fonts just by dragging them into a specific folder. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.